might like.
Taco cheese.
Yeah.
What's up, Evie? Evie. It's Barney. Hi, buddy. It's Crystal. Hi, Noodle. She's like, I'm gonna steal a cup. Ginger boys. Hi, Timu. Hi, Timu. Jim. Just slobber. You slobbered. Mister. Keller. Look at the Keller. Enzo.
I'm not even. You tried so hard. You really did. You tried really hard. You brought the skin baby and now a cat? Absolutely. And he's been on it. That was fine. There is no stop. I was getting used to it. I keep telling you she's going to give me treats at some point. Like, I'm trying to figure this out. Stayed a little too calm. Makes me nervous. This one's not. I have no idea. But I'm fixed. Yeah, like that one. I think you need a light. She's going to have a meat on her arm here. Like she should have all cheese, so she can cover. Only sometimes.
She talks to sister. She's like, no. She smacks at him. Cubby, you're gonna get jumped. What are you doing?
I forgot how much
Hi, Cubby.
They're like little sandpaper. Sandpaper kisses. Where did you go? Oh, hello. Did I tell you that we can straw now? Yeah, W-A-L-K and grandma. No. He's becoming literate. He's gonna be socially aware. Oh no. I'm actually 100% convinced that he's being singular. Probably. Like fluently. Because Gabe was taken over the other day and I like came downstairs at like 8 o'clock. And I'm feeding her and Lupin's barking at me and Gabe's like, what does he want? I was like, oh, like he wants to eat me a pie. He's like, oh, I can feed him. I was like, no, like, it'll take him.
Oh my god, it's fine. There's peace in here. There's peace in here. Birdie. You got Timu. He's gonna scratch you up. No. Sullivan, I got the brush. He digs his little clawsies in. Evie.
I love you too, bud, but you don't need to knead my foot like that. He specifically targets my feet when he does this.
Or he likes the texture of the socks.
Or he knows that it's easier to get to the flesh.
What do you mean?
It's thinner.
Boys, what's going on over here? Look at them. They're like, ooh, what's in the bag? What's in the bag? And there's Dexter. He's like, what's in there?
You're gonna get your head stuck.
I don't care. Cubby. Hi, Cubby. Zest. Hi, buddy. Let me brush you out a little bit, Mr. Zest. Yeah. Oh, you see your boyfriend, huh? Is that your boyfriend? She's like, I love Tiger Jim with all my heart. Evie. You're a funny little thing.
See? Oh, you can do it.
She's like, I'm trying. I'm trying. She got it.
She doesn't let anything hold her back.
No, she doesn't. Evie.
Timu.
Mr. Sullivan. He's like, brush me. Brush me. Cubby. Oh, Cubby. Yeah? That's a big meow out of a little baby. Cubby. No. Cubby. What you doing, silly? Huh? You little silly. Dexter. Watching the burbs. Yes, you getting zoomies? You getting zoomies? I want to redecorate. Zest? What are you doing? Oh, he's so cute. Look at you.
No. Cubby just ran off of me.
Look at that belly. Oh, Mr. Kettler, you happy, buddy? He likes to brush. Yeah, we should make air biscuits. Oh, oh, Mr. Kettler. You're a sweetheart. Uh-oh. Get itchy ear. Oh my. Cubby. you doing? Where you go? What's he doing? Yeah. Come on. There he goes. Yeah? Cubby. Yeah? Good job, Cubby. You're cute. Come here, the chinny chin. Get that chinny chin. Yeah. I feel good. Yeah. Smoosh, smoosh. Yeah, like this. Quit chewing on it. You okay? Mush, mush. It's Cubby. Hey, Cubby! I know. He's a child. What do you expect? He wants the cup of fur. He's like, give it to me. No, Cubby. No, Cubby. Little Miss Me. She's so cute. Aw, Kelly, you checking up on your friend. Yeah, he's got you. He's got you. And then you got Dexter being a bully. Dexter, be nice. Dude. Hi, Eric. How are you doing? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, you poor baby. You poor little baby, yeah. Cubby's always on the move, isn't he? Hi there, Eric. Yeah? What? Ouch. Ouch. You got it. You got it, buddy. You can do it. You can do it, Eric. Keller and Cubby. Yeah, you're a baby. It's crazy. You're a crazy baby. He's allergic to sunlight. That's why he can't be in the kitten room. Plus a bunch of other stuff. He's full of medical problems, but you don't let that stop you, do you? Nope. Nope. You're living your best life. Zeus. What are you doing, buddy? Mm-hmm. You need to be nice to everybody. Babies. Got new babies. One of them's been put in timeout because he kept running out. Hi there, cutie. You got some beautiful eyes, buddy. Another little void. Still in here, huh? Why haven't they moved you? Fozzie. When are they gonna move you over? You're the biggest one in here. And we got Miss Flower. Hey, Flower. We got a little void up there. A void here. We got a gray baby. We got another little tuxie. Oh my goodness, you are cute. You're super cute. Little lady. It's a little girl. She was just spayed not long ago. She was purring. What are you doing, baby? You're cute. Fozzie. I haven't seen you for like 2 weeks because the people's been insane. Baby Flower.